Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Fletcher here with a song called Attached to You. So a nice song there that fits guitar very well. Let's look at this very simple chords here. If you use a capo on the second fret, so that is the best scenario for us. Capo on second, put it there, and let's take a look at the chords. So we have 5 different chords here: G, C, A minor, D, and E minor. So let's start with G. Third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. C next, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. D next, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern here, and it has 2 different parts. We're gonna separate the parts from each other because they're gonna split between 2 different chords here, the full string round. So let's take a look at the 2 different parts here with the G chord, since that is the first one. So the first one, the first part goes down, 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 up, down. So down, 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 up, down. And the second part goes up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So 2 times up, up, down, and then an extra up on the second part there. So up, up, down, up, up, down, up. If you put these 2 parts together, it will be down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Alright, so we're ready for this song here and to dissect the different parts here. We're going to start with the verse, of course. You're going to play G, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, A minor, 1, D, 1, and C, 2. That is 1 chord progression round here in the verse. You're going to play that for 2 chord progression rounds. Let's go for 1, and it goes like this. Next round on G there. Alright, so you're going to play that for 2 rounds, and that is the verse play. Let's go over to chorus. This is now where you need to split the string pattern into 2 different parts, because you're going to start with C, part 1, the down, 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 up, down. Then you go over to the E minor, play part 2, the up, up, down, up, down, up. And then you go to D and play 1 full string around. That part you're going to play for 2 rounds. And then you're gonna play the A minor, just 1 down and the pause. And then you continue again with this first part you learn here in the chorus, the C part 1, E minor part 2, and D1 for another 2 chord progression rounds there. So it starts with 2 rounds of C, E minor, D, then 1 stop there on the A minor, and then you go again for 2 exact same strumming rounds there. So it goes like this. That's 1 round, so second. Then A minor, pause, and then again C, E minor. And the second round. And that is the chorus play. All right, so that is how you handle a chorus, and now it's not anything new to this song. The second round goes in the same way, the second verse. You're gonna play just the second verse for one chord progression round, and then you go over to the chorus and play exact same as in the first one. So nothing new there. And then we have just an outro, and you're gonna play the chorus play there as again for 4 additional rounds. C part 1, E minor part 2, and D 1 full round till the very end. And that sums it up for Fletcher's Attached to You, like I am here on Chord Guitar. Very cute. So if you feel free to support me here, if you feel the same way about me, then you can subscribe to this channel, of course, be a part of this family. And we're gonna go to the horizon hand in hand together and all that beautiful stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.